Hello everybody. Today in this video, we are doing the most difficult challenge I've dealt with yet, and it is the what's it called? It is the McFarlane Jason with the kitchen knife. McFarlane Jason with kitchen knife, boy. You may ask why this is the most difficult challenge, because one, McFarlane is literally the worst Jason you could play. And two, he has no knives. And without further ado, let's go ahead and play this out. So we got phone here at Stillwater. Store. We got a boat. Shacks on the island. Good thing about McFarlane is plus Morph. Boy, I have no knives either. That's not good. We're gonna go to Morph the car, get it trapped. As you see, they actually redid the model, made the Jason look a bit more thick and fatter on the body. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna steer towards the opposite direction. I gotta go get myself a knife here. Get my knife here. See, we're trying to be a bit of a fighter here. Oh boy, this knife sucks. And just like that, 1 out of 6, or 1 out of 7, 6 more left to go. He just rage quit after trying to speed fight me. We're gonna go into Morph Way and get more knives. That's what I need here, more knives. Now we have our shift here in a second. Shout out to Bliss for this idea. Not gonna lie, shout out to Bliss. Be sure to follow her on YouTube. Honestly, she could use the support. I'll link her YouTube down below. But yeah, I gather these knives.
No, he's not. Anyone? Yo, hey, shout out to SwiftKisser42. One of the best YouTubers on the block. Better than D9XT. You
Exactly.
know who is. See, even he agrees. What's up, chat? My name's Fred, and also I'm about to bring you more than the mic. 3, 2, 1.
Morphing. No. I morphed to the wrong vehicle, or wrong spot. Damn. Well, that's my goat SPP right there. Yeah, like you said, shout out to Bliss. Very known as a game moderator inside of the Camp 4 screen server. Excellent person, so yeah. That was perfectly timed as well. Anyways, 5 knives, that should do the trick. We're gonna go ahead and head back over.
Hey guys, there's also another big shout out to do. Wayne5354. We might be a little special, but we all love little special, don't we? Big shout out to Wayne5354.
Well, shout out to Wayne too. one of my other good buddies as well.
Spectated many competitive scenes as seen on his YouTube. You know, so I was even on his very own. As we see, big shout out to Wayne5354. And also big shout out to Dre for being in the video and everything. Am I right, man? Am I right?
Yes, you are. SVP is right. That's my goat right there.
Also, shout out to my favorite gang ever, the Scooby-Doo gang.
That's my goat right there, SPP.
Yo, bro, you Also, big shout out to Nessa. He's chasing right now.
Yo, I gotta kill SPP. Yes, we do. Shout out to everybody. I gotta kill SPP, man. Oh, you're limped. Here's our first kill right here. Our second kill. 2 out of 7. 5 more left to go, and whoop-de-dee-doo, their body went fucking flying. Alright, time to shift back now.
Guys, big shout out to that great shift grab that he made.
Damn it, no!
This guy SPP, man. This guy SPP, dude. That's my goat. But, and chases Kenny here. He's lowest. I gotta mute him. I'm sorry, SPP. I gotta mute you, bro.
No, get away from me.
No, be quiet. I'm doing a YouTube video, okay? Be quiet.
I'm sorry.
Big shout out to
Yeah, this lot is goated, bro. I missed the combo. Oh, yo.
Did he actually
I did not.
No, wait. No, guys, we're taking the shout out from Wayne back because he just lied to me. So, everyone go on YouTube, search up Wayne354, and make sure to block him.
This guy SPP, man.
And as we see, big shout out to these crackers.
Yeah, I guess so.
Firecrackers.
Not gonna lie. McFarlane with kitchen knife is no joke.
Also, big shout out to Eli for doing all this and also shitting on me. Big shout out to Gubby for doing that big sandbag.
Hey, this is no joke. I'm just gonna. This guy's.
Guys, also big shout out to Big Lizzle82 on Twitch.
Okay, SPP. I gotta shift away to get knives, bro.
I'm not getting that one. Nah. Guys, big shout out for the oldest person on F13 ever, Beagle.
Okay, SP. I gotta put him down. Yeah, that's it. I gotta put him down. Come here, I gotta put him down. Oh shit, I love SPP, but I gotta put him down.
Oh shit. Well, I'm dead now.
Damn it, just
Fuck.
For D not letting me live, guys.
I did not mean to let him live. No, that's not what it is. Okay, SPP. Well, that's another kill just like that.
Big
Man.
shout out for D9 for that kill.
Ah, good stun. Good stun. I can wake up.
D9. I'm gonna stop talking in game chat so you can actually have actual content.
I mean, hey, this is already good enough, SPP. If you look at this video anytime soon. Yo. Fuck.
Hey, you do not get permission to be in this video, okay? Mister?
Yo. Can I kill him? Oh my. Okay. Oh, you can do this kill? Yo.
Shout out for my testicles, Gideon Biggs.
Goated. Goated, you can actually do that kill.
That's my special force.
Well, that leaves one more left to go, and yeah. I mean, what can I say? Now I gotta check the obvious spots. Comes to checking hiding spots. First spot's gotta be here. Nope. Can't answer the phone right now, SBP, sorry. You're not here. You're right here. I'm not grabbing you. No.
That's my
That was a good GG's
That's
successful
Okay, guys.
game.
special force.
Huge
And-
shout out to
oh,
Firecracker 82. Hey, man,
Alright,
bring the shack
alright.
back into the shack.
Anyways,
My sweet
I'll see you guys in the next
Man,
one.
y'all idiots.
Y'all
Y'all got
take
killed
care.
by Jason.
And have a good one, guys. Very interesting lobby.